Welcome. This is a short introduction video about ANSE.eu. So we show you the website as it can be used. Once you get at ANSE.eu, you're on the home page and you see here a nice picture about Summer University, and this is a picture about the ANSE journal, and this is about the book about the research conference in Hungary. Um, there's all kinds of buttons, and you can follow the buttons and you can do whatever you want to do with these things. If we scroll down a little bit, we can get to the news section. And if you click on the news section, you get to the news section, and there's all messages from the past time, and you can click on a news message, or you can click on the read more, and then you get to the full message that has been written. This is a message from July 2019, and there is the message about the ANSE journal, and there's also the link how to download the ANSE journal and how to register for it. At this news section, there's also the email subscription possibility. And if you want to stay informed about ANSE and about things that happen, you can fill in your email address. And if you click on OK, there will be a pop-up from FeedBurner, and there you have to fill in that you're not a robot. I'm not a robot, and then I click on complete the subscription, and I'm already subscribed, but then you receive an email message and you have to confirm that you want to be updated all the time. There's a new news item on the website of ANSE. Please fill in, and you be informed. We don't spam. There's not so many news messages, but you will be informed wherever you want to. We go back to the news to the homepage, and if we scroll down a little bit further, we can get to the Our Events page, and there's 4 buttons. If I click on Board Activities, you can see all our board meetings and where they have been. And behind, since the new board has been installed in 2019, we started also sharing a summary of what we are doing in the board meetings, so you can read about what we did. For instance, if you click on ANSE board meeting January in Vienna, you can see what we did. You can read what we did, what we talked about, and what results we have done in this board meeting. We go back, and when we get to the home page again, you scroll down a little bit further. There's the ANSE calendar, and there's all new activities will be you can see them also on the website. If we go down a little bit further, there's this section of the website where you can see the logos of our members, and you can click on it to get more information about, for instance, BSO or NOSCO or ASSP and or LVSC, and you can get all the information you want to. Here's also a way for email subscription. It's the same as on the news page. If we scroll back all the way up, here you can see the Facebook sign, the Twitter sign, and the LinkedIn sign. On our social media, you can get weekly updates, so there's more activity than on the website. If you are on one of these social media platforms, please follow us, and you'll be informed with more things to know about ANSE or interesting discussions on LinkedIn or whatever you want to. If we go to this button bar, here we have the home page, here we have also the news, and then here we have About ANSE, and there is this pop-up coming up if you put your mouse on it, and then you can scroll down and you can get information about the board or about members of ANSE, or how to become a member, or the standards and statutes, or ANSE keywords. Here's also a section with activities, summer universities, international intervision groups, research, diversity, all kinds of information you want to have. There's a library, and here's the members login button. If you want to try to log in, you won't get in because this is a button that's only for presidents and delegates of national organizations. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I hope you really enjoy to visit our website and to stay up to date with all the news we provide to you. Thank you for watching.